my receipt.
And this is the Coach Cassie bag inside.
Alright, let me see what you got. Okay. Fresh. And get all these bubbles. Wow. Hang on. Okay. As you can see, that's the Coach there. It's still in plastic. Let me get that plastic out.
Baby girl.
Let's see here. Somewhere here.
Somewhere.
Get it? Okay. We got a scissor here too.
I can open it.
You can. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're so excited. Oh. Oh well, what's that dirt in there? They've got that. Oh well. What can we do? There's a dirt in the bag. Just wait a minute. There's a dirt in the bag, which is not good. I didn't like it. But it's just a bag. That's fine. Okay. Let me try and open this. Let me see. Open it. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this, Cassie. So soft leather. Look at the handle. That is so much. I've actually bought this bag because of the name. As soon as I saw the name,
I forgot it that this bag was coming here today, and Mommy was waiting for it to come here today, and he's very, very excited.
I was very excited, and you are excited as well. So we got this bag, and we are so excited. The name of the bag is Cassie. This is a Coach Cassie, which is my daughter's name is Cassie as well. Apparently her full name is Cassandra. We call her nickname is Cassie. That everyone calls her Cassie. And then when I saw this bag, oh, I want this bag because her name is Cassie. So this is our wonderful Cassie bag. I hope you enjoy our small haul, our unboxing, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.